Let's talk about what really turns hot women on. And no, I'm not talking about abs, money, or fancy cars, although let's be honest, those might catch attention. But what keeps attention? What sparks attraction so deep that she can't stop thinking about you even when you're not around? Let's break it down. You see, when people say hot women, they usually mean women who are confident, attractive, and used to being admired. They get constant validation, likes, stares, compliments, and attention. So, what does that mean for you? It means the usual stuff doesn't work. You can't impress her the way average guys try to. Hot women are turned on by something deeper, something psychological. Number one, confidence without ego. Confidence is sexy, but ego, that's exhausting. A confident man walks into a room and doesn't need to prove anything. He's grounded. He doesn't brag, doesn't seek approval, doesn't chase. He's calm in his energy. Because true confidence isn't loud, it's quiet, it's certain. When a woman sees that you're comfortable in your own skin, she feels safe, but also challenged. She senses that you don't need her approval. That's where attraction starts. The moment you show that you're not desperate for her validation, she becomes curious. She starts to wonder, why isn't he chasing me like everyone else? That mystery? That's one of the biggest turn ons. Number two, emotional control. Hot women deal with drama all the time. Guys who get jealous, clingy, reactive. What really turns them on is a man who can stay composed. You don't get thrown off by her moods. You don't argue to prove your point. You stay calm, assertive, and direct. Because when a man can stay emotionally balanced, it shows power. It tells her, this man can handle pressure, he can handle life, and he can handle me. And trust me, a man who can handle her emotions without losing his cool, that's magnetic. Number three, ambition and purpose. Nothing turns a woman on like a man with direction, a man who's building something. You don't have to be rich or famous, you just need to be driven. When a woman sees you wake up with goals, with vision, with something that excites you, it's attractive because purpose gives you energy. It makes you glow differently. You become the kind of man she respects, and respect is one of the most powerful aphrodisiacs. Number four, mystery and depth. Listen carefully. So, hot women are used to predictable men. They know the lines, they've seen the same moves 100 times. But when you have layers and when you don't reveal everything about yourself, she gets intrigued. She starts to chase clarity. She wants to understand you. That's why men who are mysterious but authentic stand out. You don't have to be secretive, just don't be an open book from day one. Let her discover you. Flirt with words, make her think, keep her wondering what's next. That curiosity, it's powerful fuel for attraction. Number five, presence. Most guys are half present, scrolling their phone, zoning out, or thinking about their next line. But when you're fully present with a woman, when you listen, when you really see her, she feels it. Presence is rare. When you lock eyes, listen to her energy, and respond with awareness, she melts because presence equals power. It says, I'm not distracted. You have my full attention right now. And that's something she doesn't get from most men. Number six, playfulness. Never underestimate humor and play. Hot women are surrounded by serious guys trying too hard to impress them. But when you can make her laugh, when you're teasing her playfully, when you bring fun energy, it's irresistible. Because playfulness breaks down walls. It lets her relax. It creates chemistry that feels effortless. You don't have to be a clown. Just be lighthearted, witty, unpredictable. That contrast between confidence and humor, that's dynamite. Number seven, masculine energy. This is big. Masculine energy isn't about dominance or control. It's about presence, strength, and calm direction. A woman feels turned on when she senses that masculine polarity, when your energy says, I've got this, you can relax around me, you move with purpose, you speak with intention, you don't overreact, you make decisions. That's masculine energy, and it naturally draws feminine energy in. Number eight, boundaries. You'd be surprised how attractive boundaries are. When you can say no, respectfully, clearly, you show strength, and that's a major turn on. Women respect men who respect themselves. If you allow people to walk over you, it kills attraction instantly. But if you stand firm, protect your energy, and expect respect in return, that creates chemistry. Because deep down, a strong woman wants to meet a man who can match her energy, not one who submits to it. Number 9. Authenticity. Hot women are turned off by pretenders, the guys who act like something they're not. You don't need to fake confidence or copy someone else's style. The real turn on is authentic energy. When you speak from truth, when you show up as who you really are, it radiates confidence. You're not trying to be liked, you're being real. And authenticity is rare, especially in a world obsessed with image. And finally, number 10, emotional intimacy. This is the secret most men miss. Physical attraction is easy. Emotional connection is where the fire lasts. When you can make a woman feel seen, heard, and understood, she opens up, she becomes vulnerable. And when you can hold that space with maturity, that's when attraction turns into something unforgettable. Hot women are used to being desired physically, but not emotionally understood. Be the man who sees her mind, her spirit, her fears, her fire. That's what truly turns her on. At the end of the day, what turns hot women on isn't perfection. It's presence, power, and purpose. It's the man who leads without trying to dominate, who listens without trying to fix, who knows his worth but doesn't need to prove it. So don't chase beauty. Become the man who beauty chases. Because when you elevate your energy, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, the kind of women you attract will naturally rise to meet you. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe because next time we're going even deeper into the psychology of attraction and how to master your energy as a man. Remember, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. So build yourself into someone who naturally turns heads, hearts, and minds.